In the world of American politics, the road to the White House is often packed with twists, surprises, and unexpected turns that would make a fiction writer proud. As the new race for the presidency begins, a multitude of unconventional scenarios that may come to the forefront and capture the imagination of both voters and political analysts alike. As the nation gears up for the upcoming presidential election, the air is thick with speculations, possibilities, and uncertainties that may redirect the paths and influence the results greatly. This narrative seeks to explore the unexpected scenarios that might define this grand democratic contest. The first surprise scenario could be the emergence of an unexpected charismatic independent candidate, someone who captures the imagination of the populace with visionary policies and a fresh approach. This candidate enters the race without the usual political baggage, appealing to those disillusioned with the traditional parties. As her popularity swells, shaking the foundations of the usual political dynamics, they prompt a reevaluation of party loyalties across the nation. Another intriguing possibility is the sudden shift in voter demographics. Traditionally, certain communities have been reliable bases for one party or the other. However, a combination of socioeconomic changes, community transformations, and a newfound emphasis on issues such as climate change could see a substantial realignment. For instance, urban areas might become fertile ground for conservative ideas if a candidate addresses urban crime and economic concerns more effectively than their competitors. Furthermore, technology world and artificial intelligence, AI, can play an unpredictable and shocking role in modern elections. An unexpected development could be the rise of a grassroots campaign fueled by a viral social media movement. A candidate adept at exploiting digital platforms could reach millions, bypassing the need for extensive campaigns and debates. Imagine the effect of an influential endorsement by a beloved cultural icon or the uncovering of revealing information, both potentially coursing to millions within minutes, altering the course of the campaigns instantly. However, the most shocking development comes from the AI world. Candidate may gain traction among voters fascinated with technological advancements and who believe in the potential of AI-led governance and problem-solving. International developments can often have unexpected repercussions on domestic elections. A sudden diplomatic crisis or an unforeseen global economic downturn could force candidates to pivot and alter their strategies to address these critical issues, thus affecting voter priorities and possibly even alliances. Finally, some extremist ideas or uncontrolled exchange of words by some candidates could fuel violence among voters, and this is the worst scenario. This election cycle promises to be one of the most riveting, showcasing a plethora of perspectives that might just change the course of American history. The excitement is palpable as citizens across the nation watch this race with bated breath, eager to see who will emerge victorious in the new age of political diversity,